I already got the 3-pack of 26-ounce Redmond sea salt, ancient fine sea salt. I love this salt so much that I buy it in bulk like this. And what I do, and what you can do is, you know, I've bought these in 3-packs before. You could just buy these big packs in bulk, open them up, and fill up your favorite Redmond salt shaker. Or, in my case, like I got this one from the, I had bought some Himalayan sea salt, so I'll just fill this case up with Redmond sea salt. And now I got 2 of them. One for where I eat, and one for the kitchen. So this works out perfect. One for the table, one for the kitchen. Let me see how much I can fit in one bag into. But if you're a fan of absolute real salt, unrefined mineral salt, mined in America, check out the Redmond sea salt 3-pack, 26-ounce 3-pack.